Static electricity. Gold leaf electroscope. This is a simple device to detect the electric charge on an object. It consists of a copper rod which has a metal disc at the upper end and two thin gold leaves at the other. The rod is placed in a bottle so that the disc is above the bottle. When an uncharged object is taken near the disc, the leaves remain closed. When a charged object is taken near the disc, both the leaves are charged by the same electric charge and repel each other. That is, move away from each other or open up. When we touch the disc with our hand, the leaves collapse because the charge in the leaves goes into the earth through our body and the leaves get discharged. In the year 1752, Benjamin Franklin conducted an experiment on flying a kite. The kite was made using silk cloth, deodar wood, and a metal wire. The metal wire was joined in such a way that its one end was at the top of the kite and the other end was joined to the string of the kite. There was lightning in the sky on the day they flew the kite. When the metal wire touched the clouds, the electric charge got transferred from the clouds to the kite. Then the loose string of the kite became taut and the electric charge reached the earth through the string. A spark was seen where the string touched the earth. Thus, he showed that lightning is a form of electric charge. The scientist Benjamin Franklin named the electric charge as positive charge and negative charge. What is that happens when there is lightning in the sky and when lightning strikes the earth? Let's find out the answers. Lightning. Where air and clouds rub each other against in the sky, the upper part of some clouds on the upper side becomes positively charged and the lower sides become negatively charged. The science behind lightning and a lightning strike is complicated. Let us therefore consider a cloud in the sky with a negatively charged base above a plain ground. When this negative charge on the bottom of the cloud becomes much larger than the charge on the ground, it starts flowing towards the ground in stages. This happens very fast, in much less than a second, and heat, light and sound energy are produced along with electric current. When there are electrically charged clouds in the sky, electricity is attracted towards a tall building or tree. When lightning strikes, an opposite electric charge is generated on the roof of a building or on the top of a tree by induction. Due to the attraction between the opposite charges on the cloud and the building, the charges on the cloud flows towards the building. This is called a lightning strike. Due to tremendous heat and light generated by lightning, a chemical reaction occurs between nitrogen and oxygen in the air and nitrogen oxide gas is formed. It mixes with the rainwater, comes down to the earth and supplies nitrogen to the soil, thus improving its fertility. Due to the energy of the lightning, the oxygen in the air is converted into ozone. This ozone gas protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Lightning conductor. The lightning conductor is a device used for protection from lightning strike. It consists of a long copper strip with one end forked. This end is at the highest part of the building. The other end of the strip is connected to a plate of cast iron. A pit is dug in the ground, coal and salt are filled into the pit, and the iron plate is placed upright in the pit. There is also a provision for pouring water into it. This helps to spread the electric charge quickly into the ground and prevent damage. Whenever an electrically charged cloud passes over the building, the electric charges flowing towards the building are conducted into the ground through the copper strip and damage to the building is prevented. When such a lightning conductor earthing is fixed on a tall building, the surrounding area is also protected from lightning.